Welcome back. Day 8, 30-day meditation challenge. Today's going to be a brief meditation with a little guidance, but not a lot of direction. So it's day 8, and I'd like you to test yourself. I'd like you to see if you have the ability to sit still with me in silence and just breathe and be for a longer patch of time than we've done before. So I'll give you a little bit of brief guidance. And we'll use the 3 B's: breathe, body, be. That's how I normally guide people through a meditation. And then I'm going to give you a pretty good patch, just a few minutes, 3 minutes maybe, where you just sit and breathe and you're on your own, and let's see what happens. Okay, just observe, just notice, see what happens. Okay, I hope you're comfortable and seated and ready to go. And let's close down our eyes and begin by taking a couple of breaths. All right? Inhaling and exhaling. You've done this enough times now that you might start to realize kind of what works for you and what feels good. So deep, full breaths and long, extended exhales. Or maybe it feels better to you to have a little more measured breathing that's a little more regulated and not so forced. Okay, whatever is best for you, choose that kind of breathing right now. And a brief body scan for relaxation as you continue breathing. Awareness on your scalp. Relax your head. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyes. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Relax your eyelids. Relax your cheeks. Make sure there's space between your teeth. Relax your mouth. Relax your neck and throat. Relax your chest. Relax your shoulders, your arms, your hands and fingers, and breathe. Relax your shoulders, your back, and your belly, and breathe. Relax your legs, relax your feet, relax your toes, and just breathe. Now let's have a few minutes of silent meditation together. Just breathe and be. Observe, feel, notice. No judgment. Just breathing and being. And in a few minutes, you'll hear my voice again, and I'll bring us out of this meditation. In a moment, you're going to hear me count to 3. And when I say 3, we'll all open our eyes, feeling nice and relaxed. 1, beginning to bring your awareness back into the room. 2, preparing to open your eyes. 3, open your eyes. Come on back. Take a nice breath. Make a mental note here. How do you feel? How was that? The fact that you showed up? A plus. Good job. I'll see you tomorrow.